David Day, Vicksburg Daily News here on Longwood Avenue, where a tree has fallen on a home. You can see the tree there, and there's the home. An individual was trapped inside that home for a while. They've since moved that person from the vehicle. They are safe. They do have minor injuries related to the tree and debris falling on them, but they are now in the ambulance and they'll be receiving treatment there. The tree fell just a few minutes ago here on Longwood. We had a lot of rain last night, and that has to be a contributing factor to this tree falling. One individual injured on Longwood in this home where a tree has fallen. We'll zoom out just to get a wider view of what has happened. To recap, on Longwood, a tree has fallen on a home. One individual has injuries related to that. They are in the ambulance now and will be transported shortly. Minor injuries is what are being reported, and that as scary and as dangerous as that is, they will survive. For Vicksburg Daily News, David Day reporting.